Hello everyone. Our team with Soham Prajapati and Rajesh Divecha and I Sandeep Singh will be representing our project Inline Power Monitoring Unit. Mr. Yash Divecha will be giving the overview of the deliverables of the project and Soham will be explaining the overall process of the system. Thank you.
So in the power monitoring system, we'll be calculating the apparent power. For the apparent power, we'll be taking the load from directly the plug-in source. So the plug-in source will be connected directly in this receptacle. So the receptacle, and in the circuit we have the voltage sensor, the current sensor, the microcontroller as an embed, and we have the Bluetooth module as an transmitting device. So in this, the voltage will be taken from the load directly, which is from the receptacles. The voltage and the current will be calculated and it will be sensed by the sensors. After that, the apparent power will be calculated and it will be given to the microcontroller. The microcontroller will transmit the data after everything has been calculated, and it will directly give it to the Bluetooth module to transmit it to the terminal. The further working of the entire circuit will be explained by Soham. Thank you.
So as per the deliverables, we are supposed to work at 120 volts, but because of safety regulations, we are working on 27 volts, that is low voltage is 27. We are giving the 27 volts through the step down transformer, and this 27 volts will be given to the sensors. The current sensor will measure the current flowing through the load. Ideally the load will be connected here, but for the low voltage we have kept just the resistor. So the current will measure the current from the from this load, and the voltage sensor will measure the voltage that is supplied to the load. The calculated data from current sensor and voltage sensor will be given to the microcontroller just for calculation of real-time power, and based on the power, that amount money will be generated, which the customer will be spending for hourly for that particular load, and then those data will be transmitted from using the Bluetooth module through our HMI. So as we can see, as of now, our Bluetooth is not connected to our HMI. That's why it's showing the blinking light. And as soon as I connect the as it is connect the Bluetooth, it will stop blinking the light. So here I can the name for this Bluetooth is HC05. So here we can see it's still connecting, and when it gets connected, it will stop blinking the light. So we can see it's connected to HC05 and the light has stopped. Light has stopped blinking. It is blinking only when the data is transmitted. It will blink once only.
Our HMI is a user-friendly design. It has 4 buttons: current, voltage, current, power, and money spent. As our project has to be work on the sensor has to be work on the high power, but as we are using the low power, so the values will be very less. When we press the voltage button, it will show the voltage going through the device, and by pressing the current button, it will show the current consumed by the device. And when we press the power button, the microcontroller will calculate the power that is consumed by the device, and the embed system will calculate the money spent by the user per hour on the power. And according to our deliverables, we have to use the Wi-Fi module, but we are getting some problems on the communicating side, so we are shifted ourselves to the Wi-Fi Bluetooth module.